Hello people. So this is this is my third video of the day, and people before again everybody starts wondering just why I make these wonderful videos. Uh, things that we think everybody knows, not everybody actually knows. Yeah, like I knew of this gentleman. Yeah, pretty much. This person who was very good at maths, and he was like one of the toppers in the school, and the topper, in fact, thing. And this guy lived within 100 kilometers of IIT Chennai. But when it came to actually after his 12th standard intermediate applying in colleges, he never did apply, yeah, because he didn't know that IIT is also a place that you can apply. So I mean, this itself reveals certain things, like maybe what we think newspapers and magazines are, everybody would know of IIT. No, yeah, some of the most educated crowd, I don't know, maybe for whatever reasons. I mean, I grew up in the city, in a upper middle class kind of family, but not, so not everybody is fortunate in that sense. So that's why through these videos I want to speak of these very, the things that people should know. Yeah, I mean, sometimes it's like I didn't know of it. So that's the crazy part of life. So that's what the purpose behind these videos is, so that people know about certain things that I'm going to reveal in my other videos. So the mystery continues. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.